Here's how to fix Facebook video lag. Now, if you're on Facebook and you're watching videos or reels, but it keeps lagging and basically glitching, not running or working smoothly, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Facebook app here, or you can be on facebook.com. Now, if I tap on the videos or reels here and I'm swiping through, but it's just not really working, it's lagging or glitching, the first thing we can do on the app itself is to tap on your profile at the bottom right. And then we'll tap on the gear icon at the very top right. From here, we need to scroll down and you can see under preferences, there's the option for media. Tap on that. Now, the first thing is video quality. You can see data saver here. If you have it set to data saver, essentially this will limit the amount of data that Facebook can use. And sometimes any of those reels, as you're watching them, they'll start lagging. So let's switch it over to optimize. Essentially, if you have a fast internet connection, it will optimize it and run those videos more smoothly. The next thing we can do is hop into the settings here on your phone and we'll tap on general and then iPhone storage. We're going to find the Facebook app here. So let's scroll down to Facebook. There it is. And we're going to offload this app and reinstall it. This does two different things. One is it removes the cache and the temporary files in the app. And the second thing is it force updates it to the latest version of Facebook. Sometimes there are bugs or glitches in the app itself, and just by forcing it to update to the latest version, it'll fix any kind of those bugs or glitches, and the video should be playing normally. Now, if it's still not working, the last thing I would recommend doing is hopping into a web browser here, and we're just going to type in speed test and hit run speed test on Google. Essentially, you need about 5 or 10 megabytes per second on your device, your phone, or your computer to be able to basically watch any of those videos. So you can see the download speed here, 351 megabytes per second. That's what you're going to want to look at and make sure that is a good, healthy speed to be able to load up and run and play all of those videos. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.